Hello everyone, it's Noel from Noel's Nook, and I'm back with my 30 Days, 30 Ways series where every day we'll paint or color the same image in a different way every day. As with all the other paintings in this series, this one was also an experimentation with the new art supplies I've garnered over the past few months. And like the first few paintings in this series, I decided to start adding values by doing a quick ink wash of my subject. After the ink wash was dry, I decided I was going to again use the Dr. P.H. Martin's watercolor, this time trying out the golden brown color. When I swatched this color, I noticed that it is quite yellow when diluted, so I thought maybe I would try to use this yellow color for the highlighted areas of the horse. Well, every time I tried to build up the darker areas, I wasn't quite getting the rich brown I wanted, so I ended up trying to use a bit of Antelope Brown as well. Even after adding the extra brown color, I still wasn't getting the brown color I wanted, and as I didn't want to waste these beautiful and also quite expensive watercolors, I decided to make the horse yellow. A Palomino breed, perhaps. Well, not really. So after I decided to leave well enough alone, I moved on to the background. But first, I applied frisket to my horse to ensure the blue of the background wouldn't play with the yellow of the horse. About that blue. It's not really blue, it's Juniper Green. Like I said, I bought my set of Dr. P.H. Martin's watercolors secondhand, so I'm using what I have. I just did a simple gradient sky background. I removed the frisket off camera and I noticed that it bleached the pigment of the watercolor. See, I'm learning new things with this series, and I hope you are too. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos like this and keep up with the 30 Days, 30 Ways series, I would totally appreciate if you would subscribe, and remember to draw what you love and love what you draw.